Today I am going to show you how to insert your business signature as an image into a Word document. This is a great way to add a professional touch to your documents while maintaining your privacy. First, make sure you have your signature saved as an image file on your computer. If you have purchased our custom business signature, the file will already be saved as a PNG file for you. Next, open the Word document where you want to insert your signature. Here I have a business letter to our external suppliers. Place your mouse at the location in the document where the signature will go. Now go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen, click on Pictures and then select this device to locate the image. Here I have the image on the desktop and will select Insert. The signature image will now appear in the document as shown. Once you're happy with the placement of your signature, don't forget to save your document as a PDF before you send out the document. This will maintain the integrity of the formatting and helps to secure any sensitive information. Click on File, then Save As, and choose your desired location. Let's select Desktop and in the file type select PDF and then save the file. And that's it. The addition of a professional handwritten signature is a great way to elevate your brand without the need to use your actual private signature and can be used in any digital correspondence to staff, customers and suppliers alike. Thanks for watching and see you next time.